I just bring theatrics and provocativeness. This is dancehall, where you're supposed to shake things up and make people act and react. And
hey, y'all, come look at this.
Level the vibes with Alkaline. I mean, it's a good water. It's very...
A few moments later.
Vibes, as in Vibes Cartel?
And them suck me ya. Make me dark up in bumbleclad place, you know. You see them suck me ya. Me never hear it, you know.
Okay.
Isn't he locked up?
Yes.
One eternity later. $2,000 later.
Me hear a bag of people that make nice, one I make nice for. No, not so not bad people. Defend myself, man, I want to.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. People. Jano, alkaline. Jaja. Youth. Me I tell you say, yo. You open a can of worm in that industry with that interview where you drop. Me I tell you, bro. Yeah, man, people. But you don't know alkaline thing, you know, industry. Already an alkaline, you see me? Cause remember, you know, man kick down barriers and one bag of thing, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, him broke the system code. You see it? Yeah, man, for come run the place. You see it? Yeah, man. But we're gonna play a clip and you don't know Cliff Hughes, you know, ask him a couple questions and thing. Yeah, but pre-wagwan people.
Right. Follow you? Yeah? Yeah. But they don't really know much about you. You have built this mystique around Alkaline. Yeah? It's very private. They don't know you. Tell me.
People, remember, you know. Remember, say, and a really Alkaline alone move them way, you know. You have man like Eminem. A lot of international people, so they move them life private. You understand certain little things. Is what me I try to say. So it's like, Alkaline is just not a regular artist where you go out in the street and say a walk with Wagga Entourage and all of them look something there. You understand? Because the man represent a brand, like, as an artist, you're supposed to see him on the stage, or you hear the music when put out on him platform them. Is what me I try to say. So Alkaline focus on that, him not really put in private life out there to the public. You understand? Because you have to protect that. You see me? As an entertainer, a movie actor, any public figure you have to protect your private life. You understand? You don't want to carry it in the public and certain little things. You see me? And we know saying everybody still like you have people who love have them business, them open book out there, everybody know them life. You understand? And you have a person where we just keep him be in private business to himself. You understand? Yeah. So haters don't really know what go on.
Where were you born?
Fresh drop.
Where in Kingston?
Jubilee.
Yeah. Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
Yeah.
And then you grew up around Kingston. I gather you were in Sandy Park at one time.
Yeah,
Sundown Crescent.
Yeah.
How were those early years?
Linders. Was good. You know, simple, calm.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Gospel.
People, you know what I'm in love with that interview, yeah? It's simple and it's unique. This is an interview. This is not sitting down on a corner and chat and a laugh and I say some crazy thing and some rare stuff, some bag of drama stuff and one bag of thing. This is an interview where when you interview somebody, you make them speak about their life, whatever product them have to order, what kind of service, you understand? Whatever will come within them, you understand, based on as an artist, where coming from birth, how them start, you understand? This is an interview you get to know the person. Nothing really too extra. You understand? Because alkaline life is just alkaline life. You understand? him not really have nothing about him live where extra, you understand? And that a film choice. Him just do music, quality music, you understand? Music were influential, is what I try to say. A lot of different thing. So, nothing really dear about Alkaline life. We all know that. Everybody knows you. Alkaline just a simple youth, him not talk much. Him not really do much. You understand?
Follow. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you grew up with who?
Moms, sisters, and family.
Yeah, mom?
Yeah.
Charmaine? What?
Yeah.
And dad?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it like growing up with how many siblings?
And these are the thing that people, Alkaline have a wonderful family. A family will support him. You understand? Yeah, man. R.I.P. You see me? Rooster. You don't know. You see me? And big up the Earl and Barty mother. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. Them people, my respect to them people, know say alright. Them have a family in the industry where he's an artist and them kinda keep him life private as well. Cause you know things that when you do camera, you know your family famous and you have video with them and everywhere you go and you know people are see where them there and them. I'm glad say them kinda keep the artist life private and thing and big up him manager, Kerry. You understand? Powerful sister that me I tell you. Cause remember we know family thing go already, you know. And every family agree, a lot of family fall out and for years now, him sister and manage him and I make sure so him go up on the right path. You understand? He's a great look, he's a powerful sister. You see me? He's a super sister. You understand? Yeah, man, is this not happening everyday thing where you have an artist where them sister manage them and I manage them whatever them have shows and every little thing. Big up Kerry. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know.
Two. A brother and a sister.
Two sisters.
Two sisters.
Yeah, management team, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me, you have made it big now. Yeah. But those early years would have shaped you.
Definitely.
How so?
Yeah, because the core values were instilled from at home, yeah. Yeah. Mom's will make sure say she trains him the right way, you know.
Yeah, man. You see me, I can't say, yo, Alkaline well trained by mother. You understand? It's how the youth move, humble, easy and certain little things, people. Yeah, man. Superstar level. I saw you for move, you understand? Keep yourself to yourself more while. And then you go out there and do what you have to do and then forward back in. No bag of wrongdoings and all of them because something they stray away and you know, you end up lose your life. You see me? So yeah, good mother, raise her son, you see me? And him capitalize on that. Yeah, man.
Discipline and all them things, yeah. Yeah.
Mom was a disciplinarian.
Yeah, definitely.
Not dad?
Moms. Yes, moms.
And what was she like as a disciplinarian?
They don't know. Academics is on top of your list, you know.
Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. Your mother, you see me? Your mothers love them son and them want them son do better and certain little things. You see it? So, you don't know. Your mother go there for him and make sure so him going at the right path. Is what me I try to say, people? Yeah, man, and I don't know the thing set. You see it? Yeah, man. But, listen what I must say yes again.
What turns him on? What does he do when he's not on stage? Tell them.
When I do on stage,
Yes, when you're not performing.
I'm not perform. I'm not perform my right song.
That is the thing in a people. If Alkaline nah perform, he might write song, he might do music. Because if you realize Alkaline focus on him music in the social media world. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, him not in a social media world. You see it? Him just do him thing, perform. If him left the stage, go home, relax, straight into the studio. You see me? Yeah, man, that's strictly work, man. Put the product out there so you can sell. You understand? Straight focus. We don't watch haters and bad mind and all of them. Because them they are always do this. So you see me? Yeah, man.
Time just a chill. Just chilling.
Yeah, man, you know the things. Yo, the Vendetta fans them can understand, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Because you have to be like that for really understand certain little things. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. That's how you have to deal with it. Alkaline just a be him. Him not be nobody else. You see me? Him just a chill and easy. Yeah, everybody have them chill time and everything. You see me? Lock in, isolate from society. You know, them will chill, maybe watch a movie and thing. Yeah.
I be chilling. You know what I mean? I don't do much. I be chilling.
You don't do much.
I be chilling, you know?
Yeah?
I be chilling. Yeah.
Cause remember this, you know, people, Alkaline observe things in a lot, you know. That's why I'm always be 10 step ahead. They say the person observe a lot of things and talk less. Trust me. Them a go pass it and you don't even know. Yeah, man. I saw them work. So Alkaline watch and observe. Is he not react to everything or whatever nobody wants to say. So I just him that.
Do you have children?
No.
No. Good.
So this are the thing, you know. Yeah, man. Question everybody want to know if Alkaline have children. Alkaline say no. You see me? But we all know Alkaline stay ready. It could be true or not. You see me? Because sometimes we can't really make the haters and everything everybody for know. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, I saw you do it. So, Alkaline can't say no. Won't believe or whatever. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, because at the end of the day, him can't say no and him have a youth out there and him just keep him thing private. Who knows? You understand? Yeah. You're not really obligated for really say anything about that. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man.
But, so there's just the music.
I see.
Yeah. And in terms of who is he?
You see what I try to say, people? So, yeah, man, Alkaline that, you know, people. Yeah, man, I just Alkaline that, like, the interview, like, it's expected how Alkaline are going to respond to things. You see me? There's nothing about Alkaline life with dramatic or, you see me? Yeah, you know the thing set. But, these are the thing, people. A bomb drop today in an interview. See? Yeah, man, a bomb drop. A bomb drop today. Is what I try to say. But, me I go play the bomb with drop.
As in Vibes
Remember, you
Cartel?
know, people. Everybody getting at them feelings. Cause I know me I go stand up a touch now. Yeah, man. People, I want to listen keenly. Cause you see all of the video them me I drop on with the people. Everything I show sign now. It confirm now. You understand? Yeah, man. But you don't know. Cliff Woods pull a stunt. Cause you don't know. Alkaline say, yeah, it's just the vibe. So, you know, him kinda. I remember, you know, when Cartel, I do the little rhyme them, you know. So basically, Cliff Hughes just say, alright. Like how Alkaline say vibes. Him man say, yo, wait. So, he mean like Vice Cartel. You see me? But look how Alkaline have handled it.
Vibes, as in Vibes Cartel?
So, you don't know Alkaline. I say, yo, who that? So that's why you see my turn him head. So, you know, Alkaline's a craft man. Him not easy, you know. Yeah, man.
No. Okay.
Isn't he locked up?
Yes.
Boy,
Vibes, as in Vibes.
Jano people. Alkaline are easy. And Alkaline say, if easy locked up. Jaja. But people, I saw a thing set, you know. Zine, I saw a thing set. You see it, cause remember when Cartel come out and ER, when them ask him, say, yo, see him? When them ask him, say, me I go play a video and make you no hear what I go on. See him?
Theatrics and
Me I make you no hear the video and play what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, listen to that clip here.
Alkaline. I mean, it's a good water. It's very...
A few moments later.
So, people, remember when Anthony, remember when Anthony asks Vice Cartel about Alkaline and him says it's a good water. So, the response with Alkaline do, him just kind of respond another way there. Say, isn't he locked up? You understand? But it put everybody in them feelings. The whole social media mash up. You understand? But why not cry? You understand? Make the place nice. This is dancehall. You understand? Yeah, man, you have to shake up. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah, man, cause remember, you know, when Cartel say Alkaline is a good water, you know, remember, when you run with it, when you say, yo, good water and rare, this is that. We never a ball. You know. But a man just say, yo, is he out? Everybody a cry, yo, this, you must try this the boss, rare. Why not crying? Stop the balling, man. You understand? Stop the crying. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man. But this is the thing, people. People, wanna see this? Look on this. Go and go watch that video. Yeah, yeah, man. I drop it about the fix them, man. But look at them, me I go for you now. Night the flicks. Full no time, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. A full no time, man.
So,
a touch, man. You see what I try to say? People, so here what the fix I say. You don't know the thing already. Alkaline. Them want to invite interview and them a cry, no people. You understand? But listen what them I say.
entertainment people in the know would never ask?
Yeah.
Probably not.
But then you underestimate Cliff Hughes and his producers, and I'm not going to. Not just yet. I think Cliff Hughes is as I said, a noted, acclaimed journalist. And I would hope...
asking about certain lyrics in regards to things where I'm saying like...
See it, you know. That's the thing now, you know. Cause look here, Harry no want go down that road there. You understand? She now remember, you know. You see, she change the mood, change you know, cause it look like them. I say, yo, I want interview, so me not to push it. Zine, so you know what she do this now? She no want to go the route where Nara go, you know. You understand? That's why she just say, yo, me no want go say nothing about Cliff Hughes and Ray. Is what me I try to say. But here in Nara say,
maybe no.
No,
Because
like say, well,
no,
we would do
that's
all
the thing. And then he'll probably...
yo, you see all uno now? You see all uno now? A man now do interview for about 10 years. And all uno want ask about a neck. When it come to Alkaline, a bag of man thing. You understand? Cause me know when Massacre them I do interview, them not asking no one bag of question about Alka or whatsoever, brother. You understand? Uno no love focus on the artist and what the artist offer. You understand? Uno love little dramatic and every little thing. You see what me I try to say?
asked about Massacre, or I'm not gonna preach.
That's the thing. You see, uno talk about uno want Cliff Hughes ask about Massacre and one bag of rape. Like, bro, like we Alkaline Massacre have nothing is there. You understand? A man just a throw word and Ray and man run like, come on. You understand? Is what me I try to say about people. You hear what I say again? You see?
Good interview.
It's reaction.
More say people say, yeah man, fix it. I want that. More want to say, yeah man, fix it. It's the same can do again. I want that.
But I mean, Alkaline, he's introverted, but he's not dumb.
He's not dumb.
He went to Arden. One of the first school challenge quiz.
Was it school challenge? Was it
Yeah, junior school challenge. Yes, I mean he's
people. I wonder what happened. Why Ari? No man. What happened to Ari now? Ari play cool now. Everything change. How I go on?
He's definitely not.
You may want to be an electrical engineer.
I don't remember what he was. Yeah, probably doctor. I think he wanted to be a doctor. Maybe, yeah. Okay. But I definitely think it's reactionary. But I don't think. I mean, again, it's just a bold choice because I would have gone to ER.
So see then now people. Them want tell the man where he go. You don't go to ER. Like, Jano, people. When you see the video them, just go up on my channel and watch the video them when me drop with ER on stage and them. Go tune into the video cause them are send people over here and know say these people only there to bring down Alkaline legacy. You understand? Ask him one bag of necessary question, bring up one bag of man and Ray. Uno see man so no one know what go on in our life. Zine, but we not go spend time for asking about unnecessary things.
I'm so inaccessible. You say I'm inaccessible.
That would have been the bolder choice. Just go here, just go to the place.
Look here, let me tell you this. Uno want man fi do what uno want do. You understand? What uno want somebody fi do. You see what me I try to say? Alkaline and do him own a thing. Him know say uno corrupt. And uno focus pan where uno fi focus pan. You understand? And that are the problem. You see it? Cause people, let me tell you this, you know. These are the thing, you know, people. This is the platforms where they might try compare a next man. See? Can you see the one bag of thing in the media, you know? They might try compare and I say, yo, Cartel will do better and brave and this, that. But people, look at this. See? No. People, look at this. This is an artist. This is how you articulate yourself. See? Pan an interview.
You make artists up out here. Bro!
Look at this. You see what I'm trying to tell you people? Look on them thing and we go on them platform. This is the platform where they want Alkaline for go on. One bag of slackness and all of them look someday. Tell me now. People, has to be studied. But may I play more clip and make you no ear?
The man them can pleasure the ladies. You think that would be?
A man like me could have do it and it was.
Yes!
If me and any dream go and suck pussy and it's sweet, me go do this.
People, these are the platform where them want Alkaline to get interview pan. You hear them bag of slackness there? Humans overall over the world, them love people business. That are the problem. You understand? Them love people business. You see, once them don't know how you... Cause look here now. If you are regular walk on the road, you know, people. See? And you pass some group of people every day, you know. Them don't know about your life, you know. Them criticize you more than when them know your life, you know, people. Them start say, the boy, they move hype. You understand? That girl, they move hype. Because them don't know you. You understand? But when them know you now, them welcome you and ray and chit-chat and chat some sugar. But here the next way how you articulate yourself on an interview again.
Is there anything you will... I know you said you don't have no regrets. Yeah. But is there anything you thought you could do better? What was one of those things?
Watch Short Boss Pussy more.
People, this is the man where them so-called say Ray can't reason for interview and one bag of thing. Then what happened in an alkaline life, him come attack them thing. Man's their prison say if him could have sent for watch woman front more and more security. People, you see what I try to talk about? So through alkaline have all of them look a crazy slackness thing and I'm interview. Yeah man, the interview we a flap. Yeah man, this lame. Yeah man, yeah, make it lame. Me know the Vendetta fans them happy if you see them artists come and them can know a little tweet of things. Although them know majority of things with alkaline already. Because this is for the Vendetta fans, not for some other people over there, so. You understand?
I should have put dudes on her like private eyes, like undercover fucking agent to watch pussies. That's bad.
People, yeah man, I saw you articulate yourself on interview. All of them nonsense there. Is what I try to say. And people, so my time I have to do spree. But look at now people. People, remember when I dropped that video there with On Stage? You remember? Yeah man. We tell them say I industry TV, but people, you know say them attack alkaline pan cliff use. Look on that picture, yeah. Yeah man, look on that picture, yeah. When you see we On Stage TV, right? What me telling you people, cause me I go to some video from wedding and I think say I do something on my makeup, you know. Zine, look on this. You see what them say? What does he do when he is not on stage? These kinds of interviews. You see what me I try to tell you? This are the problem. Me know when look how much artists do interview in a dancehall. You never see On Stage go up on them thing and write them statement. Yeah. Alkaline the one. And because this is a problem, you know. All of these platforms are crashing now. Fighting for views. Zine, because them now no more viral moment. You know who left to give them it? Alkaline. You understand? Yeah man. Alkaline left. And true them not get it now. You know what that mean? Bad mind time. Is what me I try to say? Yeah man. So On Stage has just confirmed. Say yo, the video when me drop with the people. Yeah man. It just confirmed say yo, these people plan to bring down alkaline thing. You understand? Yeah man. And you just yo, the interview yeah. Trust me, nothing no wrong about it. Me I tell you people, nothing no wrong. The haters have got talk. Anything alkaline do, haters dead. You don't know all of the fans them. All of the fans them, the Gaza fan them, and all who under the Gaza camp, they like the crew. Everybody, the all of them, I got hate alkaline thing. Fine. Cause you don't want to watch haters, but still I grow. You understand? Yeah man. Cause no matter what you do, or if you're normal human, people are going to hate you for no reason. You understand? Cause remember, alkaline do majority of them nothing. You understand? So them just a hate and a carry industry feelings and man feelings. Is what me I try to say. But people, a next thing. Zine, observer, run out. Zine, yeah man, observer run out too man. May I tell you, observer say, the fans no feel good about the interview. So tell me now, what alkaline fans name? No Vendetta. So the man them put up a statement, you know people, I tell you, you know. I tell you people, look how much people do interview. And alkaline come do interview and look where observer post. You understand? These industry people just make it bad for the youth. You understand? Yeah man. Cause remember you know, them only prep up a one man thing, you know. Yeah man, and through the youth yeah, under that system yeah man, them are gonna bring him down. You understand? So basically, them put up one statement. Yo, when you see that statement yeah, you know what somebody when I like alkaline. Not a Vendetta fan. You see it? Cause the statement where them put up, it's all hate. You understand? But you don't know the thing said, people. Interview was wonderful. More watch an interview where me can just easy back on meds. Because I know the vendetta fan them love this. You understand? Yeah man, them love this man. You see it? Because me know all of them watch and them laugh and cause you don't know alkaline thing and is what me I try to say. Them, let me tell you, them want the drama. I don't know people stay ready. Them want the drama. Same like where, you understand? With some man, is what me I try to say. Cartel. You see it? Them want them type of interview the way. Yeah man, me I watch Shorty. Yeah man. You understand? Rain a prison. Yeah man. All of them look coming by now. Vice Cartel life is like a open book. So a lot of things is there. Alkaline life is private. Nothing is there. You understand? So I don't understand when they want alkaline for forward out and say. Is what me I try to say about people. I saw it go. The hate is real, the bring down. But remember, alkaline is a juggernaut. Is what me I try to say. Yeah man. Juggernaut that man in the industry, man. Me I tell you. The youth have follow them show Saturday. And I'm not normal. Yeah man. Cause one thing with alkaline, him look out for the youths them. If you check him show, look on him show them. Although them say a fall off artist. Yeah man. But look here, a be a young youths. Alkaline look out for the youths them. Cause I know them big platform and them big stage show you now book them because why? They maybe not have the hot song at the moment. So Alkaline and look out for them. I'm gonna have to big up Alkaline team for that too. Look out for the youths them. Don't forget them like how the industry does. Is what I try to say. But people wanna know the works of doing at the comment. Tell me what I go on and tell me about the review. You understand? Alkaline, big up yourself, you. Read the interview. Me nah lie. Me sit down and watch it. And me a laugh. Me I tell you, me a laugh, brother. I'm a rate of the interview calm. And the interview is all about you. And your life story. You understand? Yeah, man, me no want a bag of crazy thing. And no bag of slackness. No bag of freakiness. No bag of this. No bag of that. No bag of going to prison. You understand? We no want a bag of drama. That is a next man's story. You understand? Because they might try to compare the interview when... remember, you know, people, all these years, you know, them been a compare alkaline with cartel thing. But alkaline a be himself now. Them are going to say, yo, man can't do no interview like cartel. Cartel interview, but over the years, you know, compare the youth, so the youth are copy and read. And when the youth are be himself, is a problem. You can't please them. Yeah, man, when you don't know. But people, big up on yourself and go watch a video of them. You understand? Yeah, man, go watch a video of them, people. Because me I tell you, the whole industry against alkaline, we see it. Yeah, man, we see it after the interview, man. But you don't know. Nightly fix. Watch what I do. You understand? Because we don't want to the channel end up like some channel. You understand? Because we don't understand the energy we now push. It's a wrong energy. It's what I try to remember. So we don't want viral moment to put money in our pocket. You understand? Yeah, man. Because remember, you know, we don't co-sign. You see me? Because remember, you know, alkaline put money in the pocket all over the years. You see it? Yeah, man. But that's how you think go. Now I get no interview. And that's how it go. You understand? But people, I media facts, you know. Yeah, man, get it right and get the facts straight. You understand? We are step out of the building. You don't know a media facts or one media facts. One ADF. That is it.